this is Julia. Welcome to Chemlink's video series on China's food sector. Today we're going to focus on a highly relevant topic for food brands, and we're talking about product localization and the power of online media in shaping consumer preference and generating demand for food products through famous cases here in China. Now, food products going viral online is an extremely interesting phenomenon here in China. We actually call it 网红食品. So what's the recipe to making a successful viral food product in China? And what are the key ingredients that we need in order to generate the consumer interest we need and leverage the power of China's social media? Well, we have product differentiation, leveraging KOLs, developing new packaging, labeling, brand names, and an engaging online content. These are all very important in order to sway public opinion. But we should be warned, the power of China's social media is a double-edged sword. And although we have many enterprises that have leveraged its power to great success, there is still an equal number of high-profile cautionary tales that are related to regulatory compliance and food safety violations, which have negatively impacted food enterprises and their success here in China. Now, to get a better idea of what a viral food product can look like in this country, let's start with some key examples from 2017 and 2018. Now, number 1, dirty bread. This was best known for having sold over 12,000 pieces in 1 minute on Unity's platform. This bread got the name due to its appearance, with the top covered in chocolate syrup and powder. In China, the bread is so popular consumers are willing to queue for up to 3 hours just to get one piece. And taking advantage of the massive demand, some less scrupulous retailers even managed to sell for about $20 one piece. Now, besides interesting names, creative or fancy packaging is also very important. We have Ke Diary as a good example. If we look at the design, it's actually a simple transparent package with very low production cost. Still, this was an absolute hit here in China. By allowing consumers to see the milk inside the package, this gave them a sense of safety and high quality, although it was just normal milk. In 2017, Ke earned 1 billion renminbi in revenue with 54% year-on-year growth. The increase in sales directly correlating with the release of the new packaging. Now, Chinese people tend to really prefer fancy-looking products. For example, Hey tea. This tea beverage became an overnight sensation in China due to its visual appeal and unique aesthetics, especially amongst young girls. Its popularity was further propelled by a selfie trend of teenagers taking photos with the beautiful tea and then posting it on their social media. A tip for enterprises: you actually really want to consider designing your packages for a similar marketing scene. How do you do this? Well, for example, when the girls hold a Hey tea product, it can accentuate the beauty in their hands, and this is a very high selling point here in China. Now, the appeal of trendy food doesn't really last too long. Once the hype subsides, it often gives way to concerns of their food safety. Once products are added to the SAMR or the GAC food inspection blacklist, their market performance can be negatively impacted. For example, Devondale milk. It performed very well on e-commerce platforms like Tmall several years ago, but it has not really done that well in the recent years due to a number of high-profile regulatory compliance violations, which have negatively influenced consumer preference. It was listed in the AQSIQ blacklist 3 times over 6 months in 2017 due to expired products, and they also got complaints by consumers due to the quality of the milk. Another famous Thai snack in this case was called Tao Kai Noi, which was listed for its excessive amount of E. coli. And Godiva chocolate, very famous, received a hit for non-compliant use of the additive potassium sorbate. So, after all, product quality is the key to success and constant development of a brand. In our opinion here at Chemlink and Reach24H, a viral food product in China must tick all the right boxes to drive consumer demand in terms of its sensory appeal and the product aesthetics. But if we want long-term success, then we must be backing this up by the high product quality, safety, and full regulatory compliance. So, this is the content for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.